Now see this cord on the Dell TV, there was enough slot behind the TV to where this was pushed tight like that and it barely fit. Well, on this particular TV, it needs to be pushed in further because I don't have as much back on that TV to get my set screw up underneath there. I need just a little bit. Now how can I do that? Well, this is what I'm going to do. You see this nut right here? I have to pull this cover plate off, and then there's a nut that kind of fits into the plastic, I believe, and I think I can take that nut off or even drill that plastic hole out with my reamer bit, and so it's just a hair bigger, so I could take this and just kind of push some of it in to the hole. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is for the cable, so I've got to take this out. This is tight right there. I think that's a coupling that kind of sandwiches it in on the front of this cover plate and on the back of the cover plate. We'll soon find out. Let's see what we have to do here. And fortunately for me, most TVs nowadays, see how they come with an angle like that? Now see, I'm going to put that angle right here or right there. Yeah, like that. I think, man, it doesn't seem to be going. It's just a little stiff, and there's no prong on there, so it shouldn't matter which way. So see, I've got it like that, but this other cord is just not seeming to fit. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Boy, what is that, tape to the wall or something? They probably put that on. You know, they probably painted and then put that on, and it's just kind of stuck to the wall here. Let's just be careful with this. See that? There we go. And this is for your cable TV. And sure enough, you can see that. I have to loosen this up, and then that will get that piece there. Let's just see what I can do there. See, this back side just unscrews here. There. See? And so this piece has a little nut there, and I can take that off. Let's just get it off here, shall we? Because I need to push this into the wall. See the hole there? It's kind of an octagon hole, so that fits right there. You put that nut on there, then that fits right on your cover plate. Okay, but I need to push that in. Okay, so I'm just going to take my reamer bit and I'm going to drill this out just a bit so I can push this right on through. I'm glad I got that reamer bit after all. It's really not a reamer bit, but I told you I use that for other things.